Hey everybody, Jay and A Review, and today we're at H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Oh my gosh, here is our first look at the 2026 KZ Connects. Model number 312RE, so let's get started. The length on this Connect is 36 feet 1 inch. The dry weight is 7,790 with a hitch weight of 1,030 with a GVWR of 9,560. Oh wow, they have fixed these up here on the outside.
Absolutely, they have most definitely revamped their exterior look. We have shown you guys this floor plan before, but we were just excited to find this in a 26 model, so we thought we would bring this one to you again. We're going to start up here and show you that this does have a power tongue jack. Of course, your propane is going to go under that cover. Your battery is going to mount right down there with your disconnect. And coming down the side, let's look at your pass-through storage.
Already
Nice. Yeah.
got your solar pre-wired.
Pre-wired.
Yeah.
Got an access panel right there. Your docking station is going to be out here where you can lock it.
Tankless water heater.
Ta-da! You're going to have a dump area right down here. Well, not sure where the pull handle is.
Well, let me see. Oh, it is on the frame.
Oh, on the frame.
Right
okay.
there.
All right. Sorry, guys. Can't see it from this angle, but it's up there.
Yep. Both of them.
Okay.
Your gray and black tank are under there.
And you'll see that they have kind of revamped their lettering and some of their... They kind of gotten away from the strictly black and white. So this is actually like a really dark gray and kind of a gold. I like this. This is nice. Yeah, ours is still blue. So anyway, looking at the back, you do have a ladder here to access your roof. You're going to have a spare on the back. You do have a receiver hitch down here. This is going to be for an accessory rack only, not for towing. It is prepped for a backup camera. And your slides are going to be rack and pinion. Got a propane quick connect right under there. And I do think I mentioned that this does have power stabilizers on it. What is our awning length?
19 foot.
19. Alright. As you guys can see, this is a pretty good size travel trailer. And then here is your other side. You see that it are wired here for your tire link. And you do have a light switch for your front cap and then an interior light there.
Okay. I don't know what that is.
Huh. Well, I noticed there was two back there, so I wonder, does it independently? You know, ours has one button that lowers both of them at the same time.
Yes, ma'am, it does.
Ah,
it
so...
is. Yep. One side and this is the other side. Yep, sure is. Well.
That's amazing what the new ones will do. I'm always jealous when they come up with something new. All right, let's go in and take a look. Even the steps are new. All right, guys, like we said, we have shown you this floor plan before, but let's look at it again. It's always worth a second chance, a second look, glance.
Well, we haven't shown this in quite a while, though.
It has been a while, so...
Well,
yeah.
All I can say is it got a big enough TV.
Well, I would hope so. This is a 65-inch TV. Wow, that's a whopper. That is... Okay, this is... you're not really camping when you have a 65-inch TV in your camper.
No, but we sure could entertain with one of these.
Yes, we could. Got all this great storage around it. You do have a sound bar, radio down here, electric fireplace. I see that KZ has kind of upgraded their vent covers, so they're a little different than the ones that we have, but they are still in the floor. You know, let's see. No, I thought this might be prepped for another AC, but it's not. But you do have a vent in here. Now, you do have opposing slides in this. So you are going to have like a 2-cushion sofa on both sides. And I'm pretty sure these make into sleeping areas. Yes.
And they have the little touch lights in each side. Yeah.
Super nice. I love that they have gone more toward a warmer wood tone in it. I know the previous years everything's been very gray. So now we're kind of getting back toward the little warmer colors. But here's the other slide out. Now your theater seating is going to be directly in front of your humongous TV. So perfect there for those movie nights. Storage there, cup holders, and you actually have cup holders on this side. So you're going to have power, recline, heat, light, massage, all that great stuff. Moving into the kitchen area, you have got a pantry area right there. And then you are going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge.
Yes. Cool.
And let's see how I'm going to get around here to show all of this. You do have some nice storage up here right next to your microwave.
A microwave.
You are going to have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven. You've got storage right next to it and below it. Now this is the Connect, so it's not going to have solid surface. But I think they have gone with a little different pattern on their countertops, because this looks a little different. Because I know the last couple of years have been like ours, have been a little heavier veining.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, these really nice. Big farmhouse style sink, pull down faucet.
Oh, sorry. Oh, wow.
Ooh, yeah, lots of space under there. You could actually get a couple of garbage cans if you do the recycling thing under there. Super nice storage up across the top. You do have a plug-in there on your counter. And wow, 4 nice big drawers.
Yeah.
Yep, with magnet close. Now your dining area, this is going to be like a counter height table. You've got 2 bar stools on this side, and then there's going to be a bench on the other side. You do have a plug in there, so if you need to sit there and work.
And it does have a little...
Yeah, you got some storage underneath.
Little storage under there.
Yeah. Yeah, really neat. So yeah, you can sit here, do some work, and watch your TV. AC units right up there. And looks like KZ may have kind of done a different lighting package. Yeah, this looks a little different than for what we've seen.
Well, that's what I noticed, that these are more flush style now, not like ours were.
Yeah, ours are the much bigger dome light.
With a big button in the middle.
Yeah, hey. Always progressing, moving forward. I do like this door that they give you to go into the bathroom.
Holy moly.
Yeah, now, we have stressed this many times before. Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Really good headroom.
This is really good in here.
Yeah, there is a skylight up there. And to be perfectly honest, that is exactly our shower surround.
Yes, 30 by 36.
So it is a 30 by 36. And we know this is a good size shower. Just a little bit of a step up getting into it. Do you have a porcelain foot flush toilet down here? And up above the toilet, you've got some storage. It's not very big. I don't know if I'm getting all of this in the frame or not. No, it's okay. You've got some storage under here. So there's no dedicated linen in this one. So you know, it's not going to get the golden plunger. But it's still a nice size bathroom.
Yeah.
Got some great area around your sink there. There is a, what is that? A plug-in.
Yeah, that's called a plug-in.
No medicine cabinet though, but you do have a backlit mirror. So that is something new that KC, they have not been doing the backlit mirrors. So
yeah,
cool. All right, moving into the main bedroom. Pretty much across the board with the regular Connects is going to be a king size bed. So this is a 70 by 80 king
Is that
bed.
right?
They should be 70 by 80. I don't think it's a 72.
Yeah, it's 80. Yep.
Yeah.
You're exactly right.
Yeah. This is the same as ours. We like it, but it does take up a lot of room.
Yes, it does.
We'll just go there. You are going to have a front windshield on this one with the pleated shade. You've got reading lights on both sides. There's plug-ins on both sides. And then back at the back, you do have some nice little cubby areas. So it's going to be a great place for your phones and stuff. Nice big open shelf across the top. On each side, you are going to have hanging. And now this unit is going to have a second AC already in place. When you're in the south, that is super, super important.
These ceilings are 7'10".
Ooh,
Yeah, so
wow.
they are huge compared to what we've got.
Yes, ours I think is 6'11". I think it's what ours is.
No, I don't think it's that tall.
Or maybe 6'10".
I think it's like 6'6".
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, we're always jealous of these taller.
These are way taller.
Yeah. Well, anyway, while he's standing there, the TV is going to go right back there, right above his head.
Let's check under here.
And let's see what's under the bed.
Hey!
Ooh,
Look
wow.
at this storage. I like this.
Love this.
Look at that.
Yes. Yes.
I love this open.
Yes. Good job, KZ, because if you have to lift the bed to get to it, believe me, that is a headache.
And we modified ours.
Yes, we did.
All right, let's see what we got in here.
And behind those two doors, here you go.
And we've got a hanging bar, and it is prepped for a, no, just a combo unit. Yeah, it's going to be a combo unit to go in there. But that's really nice, so.
All right, guys, this is the first glance for us at a 26 model Connect. So,
Yeah,
what do you guys think?
Since we did not make it this year to their KZ's open house, so we're just having to just kind of wait till they come in.
We're having to look for them now.
Yeah. All right, everybody. If you like this KZ Connect, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.